In this Photoshop basic tutorial, we'll learn how to add type along a path. To add type to a path, we first need a path, and Photoshop gives us a few different ways to draw one. We can use the standard shape tool or the ellipse tool, we can create a path from custom shapes, and we can draw a freedom path using the pen too. Let's get started. First go to Window, find and check on Character and Paragraph. Here is a character panel with plenty of options. Select the ellipse tool from the tool panel. Click on the middle of the three icons to choose the paths options. Now drag your path. Select the type tool from the tool panel. Then move the type tool directly over the path. The cursor icon will change to an I-beam with a dotted wavy line through it. This tells us we're about to add text directly to the path itself. Click anywhere along the path and begin adding your text. The text is now added to the path, although at the moment it's on a bit of a weird angle. Needs to be repositioned. Now dragging across the path flips and reverse the text. Now grab pen tool, create a curvature line here. We can do the exact same steps. Grab text tool, type on path. You don't have to be restricted to a horizontal or vertical line itself. You can be a little bit more creative depending on how you actually decided your project to be. Let's end today's lesson.